everything is delinquent in this, our lovely highland in the sun, Jamaica. And let me tell you, there are beautiful people here. I am beautiful. Oh, I could not leave this part out. So while I was in the bus park and I was waiting for the bus, this lady came by begging or asking for money. She said she's poor, so she's begging. So she came to me. I told her I didn't have. Mind you, I did not. I only have a debit card. She went around, she came back to me the second time, and she asked me again. I said, I don't. She said, not even $100? I said, no, I don't have it. She looked me in the eye and said, are you sure? And I know that I look like $1 million. Yes, I know. I know. I am not rich in cash, but guess what? I am rich in love. I'm not a pauper. I'm not a pauper. And I know that's what she see on me. She saw that light on me. Yeah, that light in me that said, hey girl, you're rich in love. But let me tell you, I was just here to address the whole delinquency in Jamaica. It's bad, and there is no one to turn to, no one to address the problem. And it is really, really sad. It is so sad, it breaks my heart. But what can I do but continue to pray? Because I remind you that the devil is a liar. And he wasn't going to steal my joy today. Because let me tell you, the message that was preached in church today, I could not allow the devil to see me frown. So even through the whole circumstances, I kept my big smile. I kept my big smile going on. Right now, I am hungry. I am hungry. I have been out of my house from 7:30 a.m. this morning, and now it's like 3 p.m. or after 3 p.m. I haven't eaten since morning because they want to turn this place into a cashless society while everyone would die for hunger. Because if I had cash, I would not be on the road hungry. I would have food to eat. Mind you, there is so much delinquency in this country, and I hope somebody in authority can see this video and try to address what is happening. Because even now, even though the people were servicing the machine, mind you, the machines were still not working. They weren't working. Everybody, including myself, had to walk away from the bank this afternoon with no cash. The lady, the kind lady, gave me 2 of these. This is one of it. The other one was given to the driver on the bus.